Yo, what is going on? What was going on? How we doing? How we doing? Been quite a bullish morning so far, isn't it? Pushing up nicely. Just a higher day as we speak, pretty much. It'll be interesting to see where we go from here. We've had CPR this morning. What did that come back as? Pretty much as expected, I believe. Let me double check. Where was it? Yeah, core CPI coming in 0.2% on the month. Normal CPI coming in 0.3 as expected. Yearly come in slightly higher than expected, actually, year on year. Yeah, pretty much as expected. No dramas really. Market didn't really react too much, pushed up. And yeah, other than that, we've got nothing else going on today, have we? A couple of speeches here and there. Yeah, nothing to be concerned about. Yeah, we are free to trade. So I'm down slightly this morning. Down one loss, 1R. It's a shame. It was the right idea, just poor execution. Didn't help that I was at work. Tried a long from previous day value area high. Not really thinking that previous day point of control was not far below it, so really I should have waited to see if we were pushing down there first, which is what we did. So I got stopped out and we reacted from previous day point of control. And yeah, previous week value area high as well. I then shot off, so yeah, it's a shame because yeah, I got stopped out here. I liked the idea of longing from here, but I didn't because I felt like I'd just been stopped out. Didn't really want to be jumping straight back in. Probably should have, but it's fine. It is what it is. Baby, if you what's up? Long time no see, man. Yeah, it's been months, man. How have you been? Hope you're doing well. Been a while. Right, we have got 2.5 minutes. Yeah, I think my bias is long for the session. Pushing up all morning. We're looking like we're breaking out of the little range that we're in. on the daily. Sort of slowly grinding up, haven't we? And yeah, we're just about to open up at the highs. Could be a bullish day. Well, haven't been here, just focused on trading the open and then going to work. Yeah, that's fair, mate. That's fair. Have you been? Definitely long bias for all-time highs. Yeah, man. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, no, I've been alright, mate. I've been alright, just grinding away, trying to get better every day, as we all are. Trading's not been going amazing. I feel like I'm turning a new leaf very slowly, but we're getting there. We're getting there. YouTube's been taking a bit of a back burner the last couple of weeks. Just been focusing on trading, back testing and learning and stuff, so still streaming every day, but all right, 1 minute to open. A retest 23 180 on NQ, then long. Let's have a look at. I haven't looked at NQ today really. Trading ES this week, first time in fucking god knows how long. Going back to volume profile baby food, so I thought I'd give ES a go, as that's obviously the higher volume instrument in it. So basically the same though, isn't it? Pretty much, just a bit kinder on the moves than what Nasdaq is. 23 180. Where's that? Okay, yeah. Oh, not much for a pullback at all then. Just to the EMAs essentially on the 5 minute. Yeah, nice. That's definitely probably likely, yeah, a very small pullback on the open and then push up. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, man. How you doing, fella? Alright, we're off. We are off. 100% reckon long so far. I was hoping for a bit of a pullback towards the previous day point of control on CPI. I had a little limit order set up on the practice account on Top Step just for shits and giggles, but it didn't come anywhere near it. Pushed up the other direction, so yeah, if we go lower than 180, I think we rotate further down. Yeah, potentially. How was the docs? Yeah, it was alright, mate. Obviously we had to have a glucose test. And she'd been googling it all day yesterday and was terrified of the drink that they give you. Apparently it's a really horrible, disgusting drink that you have to drink within like 5 minutes, and so she was anxious as fuck about that all day yesterday and all night and whatever. And it wasn't even that bad, so apparently they changed it sort of in the last year or so, and yeah, apparently it's not that bad anymore, so apparently it used to be grim. Yeah, it's all done. Blood taken. Yeah, we've got a few days until the results. I don't know. The celebration went and got McDonald's in the way because she was starving after her diabetes test. Honestly, how much I talk about fucking takeaway, you'd think that we were both obese, but we're not, I promise. Bit up and down on the first few minutes. There's the 80s test. I'm in long, nice, baby food, nice. All the best for you. Yeah, don't mind the idea of a little reaction off 250 EMA and the 1 minute. Not trading it because I'm not trading EMAs this week. Purely volume profile this week. Been a little long on the practice account off the CMA on ES, but stops out on that. Quite a big red bar for the opening bar. Stopped out. Yeah, I was stopped out on the practice account. You never know with the opens, do you? It can go 50-50 sometimes. I always try not to trade the first opening couple of minutes because it's it will always do the opposite of what you fucking think, I'm sure. Alright, let's get this poll closed. I like it though, baby food. TradeDay's all-time highs, yep. Probably going to be a fake out all day, yeah. Potentially. Tuesdays can quite often be choppy anyway. I was saying yesterday, I don't know if we will be choppy today because it's we had quite a choppy open yesterday. What did the day... We pushed up yesterday in the end, didn't we? Yeah, choppy start to the day, then slowly grinded up for the rest of the day. But I thought maybe as we got CPI today, we might not have a choppy Tuesday this week. But you never know. Tuesdays tend to be choppy, don't they? Is anyone following this, the Epstein stuff? Pretty mental shit going on there, man. I think the, I don't know how American politics work, but a load of people rejected, what's her name? Testifying or something, didn't they? Madness, man. Trump speaks at 1:30 Central Time, does he? What's that about then? Oh, yeah. Energy event. That's fine, I'll be in bed by that time, man. But I was thinking with this Epstein stuff, I think if I don't think it ever will come out, but if it ever did come out that Trump was in his client book or whatever the fuck it is, I think it could be a bit of a sell-off, at least initially. So I think that would probably be the end for Trump, I reckon. If it come out that there was a client book and he was in that client book, I feel like it could be the end of Trump. That's why I don't think it will come out. I think it would be never released. Not anytime soon anyway. I've mentioned it before, but have you explored anchored VWAPs for like you might like it? Yes, I have. And yeah, they're definitely not bad, are they? I don't even know if you can get them on here, to be honest. But yeah, no, I've definitely explored them. They're good on the on like the 1 minute on the open and stuff, aren't they? I've never, I don't think I've really tried trading it too much, but I've definitely looked at it. Just for the to put an anchor on the opening price and that. No, US politics are very different from the UK. What, you don't think it would be the end of Trump? Probably not. I'm sure he'd fucking survive it, wouldn't he? What is going on, man? We are pushing down. Using my NQ on the 5 minute, had some success, really like them for determining trends early in the day yet. Yeah, I think it's definitely good because yeah, obviously the normal VWAP runs from Asia Open, doesn't it? Which if prices push quite far away from it, is basically oblivious to price at the open, especially like US Open and stuff. And obviously that's where volume really kicks in for the day in at US Open. So yeah, anchored VWAP from US Open is yeah, it's definitely something to keep an eye on if you like VWAPs. I've taken all indicators off this week. I'm just trying to trade pure volume profile. Even got rid of VWAP as well. Big rejection wick there, isn't it? Does anyone know what the massive push up during the Asia session was? We had some China news at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is this bar here. So we've had a massive buy up just before, well, sort of 20 minutes, 30 minutes before that news. I was trying to have a look, but I couldn't see any reason for it. Good morning, Leonardo. Semiconductor. Okay. Care to elaborate or just semiconductor? Google it. Semiconductor. On the video, says it's received the green light once again to sell artificial intelligence enhanced chips in China. Is that what you mean? Yeah, before the start of the US trading shares, Nvidia jumped by more than 5%. Nvidia. Yes, okay, mate. Yeah, nice one. Cheers for that. I hadn't realised. I was laying in bed at 3 o'clock this morning trying to work out what the fuck was going on. Quite like the idea of a short from here. Trouble is, I'm not. I like the idea of shorting from here because of current day value are low. A nice rejection off of that, but I'm not. I haven't done much back testing really with the current day volume profile, so it's not something I want to take. Really, might have a little gander on the practice if I get a decent entry. Alright. Mainly for a short on the practice account, see how this goes. Good morning, Mr. Taco. I had tacos for dinner last night, believe it or not. Lovely it was. I was thinking of you. I said it today because it's Tuesday. Taco Tuesdays, but tacos can be good every day, to be honest. Yeah, man, 100%. Tacos are fucking awesome. Well, Trump, a great deal for everybody was just made with Indonesia. Details to follow on Truth Social. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, absolutely fucking knackered today. Right, just approaching 10 AM. Been half an hour almost. Definitely like the idea of a gap fill, to be honest, down to 309. Back down to the Asia Open. Let's take profit hit on that practice trade. Nice. Yeah, it would have been a nice little short. But yeah, I'm not experienced enough of the current day volume profiles yet to be trading it on the test account. Maybe next week. Did you get funded at TakeProfitTrader now? Not yet, mate. Still working at it. Still working at it. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would, to be honest. I thought it would be I thought I'd be quite quick, but yeah, I'm obviously having a bit of a mare. I'll get there. Another month or so, I reckon. Let's see, 22,950 before I consider shorting this market again. $22,950. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that would when you're a longer time frame trader anyway, aren't you, buckled, mate? Yeah, that would put us at the lower end of this little range that we're, that little range that we're in on the daily. So yeah, I think if we were to break out of this little range to the downside, it could be a quite a little way to come down. It's just if we break out or not. Currently no signs of that, is there? We're currently pushing. See how today goes. I think today will be the deciding factor. If we close above this range, potentially probably bullish for the rest of the week. But what do you think about Tradeify, TradeDay versus TakeProfitTrader? I mean, I've never traded with Tradeify. I've only ever heard good things. Their straight to funded option seems cool. But like for me personally, like where I'm struggling to pass a challenge account at the minute, test account. For me, I wouldn't consider doing it personally because I know I'm not profitable enough to be getting payout shit. Just because I'm on a test account or a funded account, it's not going to make any difference. If I'm not making money, I'm not making money. It would just be a waste of money for like me to be going straight to funded. Because I wouldn't be getting a payout, I would just be losing the account. So it depends on what kind of boat you're in. If you're I think if you're confident in your ability to trade, you've got a proven edge that you know that you can execute well on, emotionless and whatever, bloody blah. Straight to fund is great. So, I mean, you haven't got to fuck around with any test. Yeah, test accounts and rules and stuff like that. Obviously, there's rules to the straight to funded, but at least it's you're one step ahead, aren't you, with the straight to fundeds. But I think if you're still not confident in your ability, then I just think it's a waste of time going straight to funded. I just feel like you're just wasting your time and your money. You may as well go for the cheaper test account, and if you can pass test accounts, no problem. Yeah, just fucking skip the test account, innit? How you doing today? Is your name Liam, by the way? I forgot. No, mate. Sam. But yeah, not too bad, mate. Down 1 hour today. Took an early loss in the Asia session. It was a silly trade, not a silly trade, but in hindsight, could have been done better. Just put a little limit buy order down there. As we're pushing down quite strong at the minute. Yeah, was trying to long from previous day value high. Didn't really consider that previous day point of control was literally just below it, so I should have just been waiting for the point of control play, because likely we're gonna want to tap that more than the value high kind of thing. So yeah, I should have waited for that, because that's where I got stopped out at, was the previous day point of control. And because I just been stopped out, I didn't really then want to enter, and obviously that's where we got the reaction from. So but that's a lesson learned. So done for the day, up 1,000 across 550k express funders. Nice one, Nathan. Nice, happy days, man. Great day. Yeah, definitely call it a day when you're ahead. Call it a day. Don't get forwarding to keep trading, because that's when you give it back in it. And past TakeProfitTrader, but then the trade and drawdown keeps getting me. Okay, yeah. I can't remember Tradeify's rules. Let me just have a quick refresh on my memory. I can't remember if they have traded intraday drawdowns at all. Yeah, drawdown mode, end of day. I think the rule that catches people out on Tradeify straight to funded is the 20% consistency rule, which is something to bear in mind. Because normally it's what, 50%? And yeah, you've got minimum days of 7 trading days to get a payout as well. Which I think is, again, is fine as long as you're aware of it and you can obviously trade around that sort of thing. But I'm not entirely clued up on how the consistency works. I'm assuming, say you get 6 days of 200 plus 200 profit days, your 7th day then couldn't be 1,000 winning days. You know what I mean? It would have to be consistent. So yeah, it just stops people having like a massive buying a straight to funded account, maybe YOLO in a CPI news or something, and then taking a couple of small trades here and there to get you through to the day 7 and then taking a payout. I think otherwise people would just end up sort of farming the straight to fundeds, wouldn't they? Buy 2 straight to fundeds, go on a CPI day or something, and just YOLO it one way, YOLO it the other way, and then just a couple of small trades for the rest of the week to see you through to get a payout. I don't know what their rules are on news, but again, I think if you're trading sensibly and normally, like, I don't think that would be a problem. So far past 8 challenges and a few payouts. Basically makes me break even if I take the cost of the test yet. Seems like I'm spinning my wheels in the mud. Okay, what, and you're getting stuck on the intraday drawdown on TakeProfitTrader? It is a difficult rule, I think. It's you just got to be playing it ultra safe and you're not let any profits go against you. Be sort of trailing aggressively until you're out of that drawdown period. Scale down as well, maybe. Growth account, Tradeify is the cheapest. Yeah, I think I've heard good things about the growth account. %20% consistency in 7 days to pay out is a problem, then the problem is a trader. That's what I mean. I think for every normal day trader who's trading the same strat, same risk every trade, then rules aren't going to be an issue, are they? Tradeify reduced the days needed, I think. Oh, did they? Okay. Every one of them 7 days you can pass 20% of the total profit. Oh yeah, that makes sense. 35% consistency for the growth accounts. Yeah, We want consistency to become traders. Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. Oh yeah, I think them rules are there purely to stop people sort of farming it. Make 5k, then the max is 1k on a single day, 20% of total. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Trade 7 more days without any degeneracy. Stuck on that for some pros, and I get out a drawdown period, take payouts, then I lose the account, yeah. Then I pass the test and it'll take 2 pros to get back to a payout, yeah. Don't reset the pros, that costs too much. Yeah, I mean, I think Brazilian Leo pointed out the other day that you can get a Tradeify straight defunded for the same cost as a TakeProfitTrader reset, do you know what I mean? For the pro resets. There's no activation fee on the growth accounts either, that's quite good. Tradeify. Use that time to shower and prep for the day. Get all your chores done, man. I'm in another little short on the practice account. See if we get it. Looking like a dull one for me. Sideways price action, yeah. I was looking for it to be a little bit heavier to the downside, to be honest. Nasdaq's looking a lot stronger than ES's. See what happens later in the day. See in a bit, that buckle will, man. Yeah, maybe there'll be a bit more of an interest in a PM session. The issue I have on days like today, obviously, all my levels are down here. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing that I'm really wanting to trade. I'm trading the current day, but only on the practice account. Yeah, it's a little bit sideways today. Just can't tell what it wants to do, so I'm being more patient. That's a good way to be, Taco. Definitely a good way to be. I think it's just good practice on Tuesday anyway, because Tuesdays tend to be sideways. At least until the PM session. So yeah, don't try and force something. Remember it's Tuesday, and remember it's choppy, and yeah, wait for it to come to you. And I'm digging this market today. Nice clean leg down. You up, are ya? I want clean leg up. Yeah, Nasdaq's pushed down and then straight back up, innit? Yeah, getting some nice rejections off the EMA, isn't we? I mean, what are we even? Down 222. So yeah, we're in a 100-point range, didn't we, on Nasdaq? Not the worst, is it really? Trading the 15-minute. And up is a range for sure, yeah, man. Yeah, but the range, the 15-minute doesn't look pretty, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, not too bad, to be fair. Now it'd be a buy sign. Yeah, we had some nice rejection wicks on the EMAs, didn't we? On the 15-minute. Yeah. But yeah, nice engulfing candle. Above the EMAs, closed. Moment I'm buying, of course. See my chart entries. Pure degeneracy. Doesn't surprise me, Leo. Crack up. I don't know, I feel like we're stalling a little bit though, aren't we, here? Think about that 175 area 7 times. What is in you just added to that 7.5 area for the same position, or 7 individual trades? Yep, 7 just counted. Oh, quality, man. Yeah, I mean, literally, fucking boom. Reaction off of it every time, isn't there? You're going for it again, or is 7 the max? I don't know how many individual trades. Oh, nice take profit hit on the practice account. Right, we're going to come down to my entry down here. I've got an entry at 310. I have to turn chart executions off just to see the candlestick sometimes. Oh, quality. I know what you mean though. It gets a bit messy, doesn't it? All with responsibility and risk management, of course. Why am an ES drop in NQ trying to push up? Not liking that scenario. Me not like. Just talk like an ogre. Yeah, Nasdaq's trying to hold it all together. What's YM doing? I haven't seen YM. Oh, YM is looking very heavy. Nasdaq is liking is making lower lows, isn't it? Lower lows, lower highs. Oh. We're getting down here, we're getting down here, come on. Let's go. When yesterday and Q doing 7 movements, it's hard for me. I always feel like I'm gonna get the diddy trim. That's it, you don't know which one is can hear the baby oil popping. Oh man. Yeah, you never know which one's the one to trade, do you? Which one's the one leading? Oh man. Here we go. Here comes the sell-off. So yeah, looking for something quick off this. Alright, so we filled. Boom, miss me out. Lovely. Well worth the wait, that. Might have been a bit dramatic with the trading because I got stopped out at my trail rather than take profit, but already had one loss today. Wanted to end basically break even. Lovely fucking entry. Happy days. Happy days. This is the one thing that I need to work on is not trading up aggressively like that, but I just can't. It just completely goes against everything I want. Like, my bodily urges is urging me to drag it up, especially with like the quick moves like that. It can just as quickly come back down, maybe for a retest, maybe to keep pushing on past, you know what I mean? Yeah, what was that? So I was down 200 when so that was a 170-ish win. 175. Nice. Nice. Yeah, could have left it, but I didn't, so. Yeah, very happy with that. Nice and quick that one. Yeah, I've been what, 30 seconds? Sound like it, mate. In and out. Nice and quick. That's my missus. I don't know if I can see how long. So yeah, filled at 304.28. That can't be right, surely. They were saying it was all filled at the same time, apparently. That's what she said, yeah, man. But that's why I like to limit order the pointer controls, because it doesn't hang about. It doesn't hang about. Yeah, a bit annoyed that I didn't leave it, because that would have been a 250 win rather than 175. That's yeah, something I need to work on, and I'm trying to work on it. The trouble is, I've got Lewis Scott in my ear telling me to not let it go back against me. Don't lose the profits that I'm up. Which is a good way to be, but it also loses me money as well, so. Even though he's not in the fucking country, he's on holiday. I can still hear him. He said there could be buys, man, but I'm sitting on my hands, yeah. Follow your plan, man. Follow your plan. But, I mean, I have no idea if we bounce here or keep going down. But I'm happy being in and out. But yeah, that's the trade that I should have taken this morning. But balls up, so yeah. Got back there, which is fine. He's on holiday, wondering why he wasn't around. Yes, he's I can't remember where he said he was. Maybe Spain? Crete? Cyprus? I don't know, I'm making it up. But yeah, I think he's away for a few weeks, I think. He did say he would pop by, but he's yet to yet, so we'll all abuse him when he comes back. That could be sales, because of how price is moving. That is a good indication that, yeah, you should definitely be sitting on your hands, mate. If you're in one breath saying could be buying, and then in the next breath saying could be selling, you're unsure, don't press the button. I do it all the time. Living good off those trading profits, yeah, probably. Probably. Yeah, I need it clear for a bias. That's it, mate. That's it. That's it. Should have been like this with my funders, but mate, there's you've got to start somewhere, haven't you? You've got to start behaving at some point. Better to do it on the test accounts. Get the habits, the good habits in place. And by the time you're back on the fundeds again, hopefully your good habits will be solidified and you can make the money, man. I mean, every day is a fucking day to learn, isn't it? Every day is a day to learn. I imagine people that have been trading 10 years and are profitable still have days where they make mistakes and have things to learn from, and it's always about getting better. So anything you can do every day is get up and do better. Alright, I think I want to call it a day here, boys and girls. So yeah, break even on the day on the test account. Could have been up 2 wins, to be honest. If I played the earlier one better, could have been 2 wins, but that's fine. That is fine. Learned my lesson. And yeah, also 2 wins and 1 loss on the practice account. So up 329 on that. And the 1 loss was an EMA strat as well. The 2 wins was a volume profile strat, so that says volumes in it. Right, what day are we? Tuesday. So yes, I should be back tomorrow. What news have you got tomorrow? PPI tomorrow, is it, I think? PPI tomorrow. Nice. Nice, and CPI in the UK, that'd be interesting. 3.4%. Fucking insane, man. But yeah, cheers to stopping by, everyone. Take it easy if you're still trading. Hope you have a good rest of your session, and I shall see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one. See you later.